guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we will discuss about the benefits and disadvantages of the vitamin E oil. As we all know, vitamin E oil is amazing for our skin. So today we are going to be discussing about that, and I'm also going to be showing you some of the methods that how you can use vitamin E oil in your daily skincare. So in this video I'm going to be using this vitamin E oil that I got from a local medical shop. The name of these capsules are Evion 400 and these retails for only 20 rupees, which is very affordable, and you get 10 capsules. These capsules has some oil, so you just have to pierce it and oil will ooze out of it. So let's discuss about the benefits of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil fights against the wrinkles and age spots or any other signs of aging. Plus it also has collagen in it. So what collagen does is, collagen actually adds elasticity in your skin. So when your skin is more elastic, it gets less wrinkles. Plus it also removes all the pigmentation or acne spots that you might have on your face. Plus vitamin E oil also heals the skin damage that may cause by the sun. Let's talk about the side effects. Because it is a natural remedy, there can be some side effects and your skin might get allergic to it. So you always want to make sure that you do a patch test before using it on your face directly. So in this case only, if you are using any of the natural homemade remedies, you always have to do a patch test before going for it. So with that being said, let's just quickly get started with the video. In today's video, I will show you 13 methods of how you can use vitamin E oil in your daily skincare. The first method of how I like to use vitamin E oil is my cleansing oil or my makeup remover. I take some coconut oil and 1 capsule of vitamin E oil and I add it and massage my face with my fingers and then wipe it off, and you can see that even the waterproof eyeliners or waterproof mascaras can go like this. Method of using vitamin E oil is as your under eyes. Just take 1 capsule of vitamin E oil and just take the oil out of it, and with your ring fingers just massage your under eyes, and you will notice the huge difference in the appearance of your under eyes. It will be a DIY lip balm. So vitamin E oil has the properties of moisturization, plus it also removes all the pigmentation. So if you have dry chapped lips and they are pigmented, like they are dark, so just apply vitamin E oil over them and you will get very moisturized lips, plus the pigmentation is also gone. Or if you want to incorporate something else, you can melt some shea butter or beeswax and add vitamin E oil to it, and it will create a very amazing lip balm for you. The fourth method will be the cuticle oil. What I like to do is I just take 1 capsule of vitamin E oil and massage it directly on my cuticles. What it will does is it will make my nails very strong, plus it also removes the pigmentation that causes because of some of the nail paints can make your nails yellow. So it will also remove that, plus it will also make my nails very strong. Would be the coffee scrub. This one is my favorite because it smells amazing, plus it is a very gentle exfoliator for your skin. So what you have to do is just take some coffee and add 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E oil and just start scrubbing your face, and you will see that how nice and smooth your face will be. So this scrub is a thumbs up. The sixth method is very easy. Take 1 vitamin E capsule, just pierce it and take the oil out of it and just directly apply it on your eyebrows. It will make sure that your eyebrow hair will be more thick, plus if there are some sparse areas that do not grow hair, it will also help to produce hair on those sparse areas. The seventh method, what I like to do is I just take 1 capsule of vitamin E again, take the oil out of it and apply it on my ends. It will also make sure that I do not have any split ends or any dry dead ends that that doesn't look pretty. So I like to apply vitamin E oil on the ends of my hair. Eighth method will be just add vitamin E capsules in any of your hair or face mask. Take some curd, some honey, turmeric, some chickpea flour and add few capsules of vitamin E oil, and it will create a very amazing face mask. The ninth method is hot oil massage. I like to do at least once a week. Just take some coconut oil and add mustard seed oil into it, and to it I add 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E oil, and it also makes my scalp very strong, plus it is also very relaxing. 10th would be the spot treatment. As we all know, vitamin E oil removes all the pigmentation, so just apply it directly on your acne spots, or if you have pigmentation around your mouth, just apply directly over there, and it will create a great spot treatment for you. Next method would be just mix some vitamin E oil in your hand cream or your foot cream, and it will remove all the dark knuckles. Sometimes we have those dark knuckles on our hands or on our feet, so just mix some vitamin E oil in your hand cream or your foot cream, so it will moisturize your hands as well as it will also remove those dark knuckles. If you also have some dark elbows, it will also remove pigmentation from there as well. Method would be just add some vitamin E oil into sweet almond oil, apply it on your stretch marks, and it will also remove your stretch marks, but you have to be a little consistent about it. Do it for at least 1 month and you will surely gonna see the results. The next and the last method is my favorite, and I do it every single day. What I does is I just like to add some vitamin E oil in my aloe vera gel, or sometimes if my face is very dry, I add some vitamin E oil in my daily moisturizer, and I like to apply it on my face and leave it overnight. I do it in the night and wash it up in the morning, and it will give a very nice hydrated skin, plus it is also clearing out my acne scars, so I like to do it daily. So that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.